Alright, so here we got I'm choking fucking chip. Don't eat before you do a sewer job. So we have a sewer here that's been backing up twice this season, and the home inspector, I don't know if someone's buying it, selling it, whatever, said the pipes were rusty and that they need a lining. That's why we're here. So we're going to film it out to the street, see what the problem is, and then also film back to the house. Special situation where we have a swimming pool, and we're going to, I'm almost positive it goes around. It has to. The T is a T on its back, don't mind the chips. T on its back, and it's actually going this way. So this clean out is going this way, and probably 45 to the street. So let's get the shots here and see what we got. I don't have no gloves today, but I'm not scared. So we're at the bottom of this T, going out to the street. We're also going to locate this for her. Oh, crazy drop.
Real crazy drop.
So it's a couple, look at that pitch going down, right?
Yeah.
So it's dropped into something. That's why it's backing up right there.
I can see it.
See how they have
The insert.
Yeah,
from the city.
Yeah,
That's
they have. Man, it reduces twice.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, so I'm gonna.
We ran into this here before already. And yes,
Nah,
we did.
this is not a liner. That's a liner. This is actually the PVC. Like that goes. That might be the liner in the back, in the black section.
The black section, yeah.
Right. This is PVC, like a 4x. All right, so I'll show the city this, and get them squared up, and let's hold a little water
right there. But if anything goes in there,
look, if you get a lot of paper coming along that edge right here,
done clog.
Yeah, no doubt. Now we know why it's getting clogged. All right, cool. Let's go back towards the house. Now this is going to be a little gnarly because it's going against. Assistance here.
Okay, I can see.
I can't see what you're heading.
You're there pretty much. See it?
Come back in. Oh, there it is. You're right. Oh, there we go.
You're in. Easy.
Right. Now, look, if you look at this, we're right by a swimming pool, going on a 45 towards the fence. A lot of sand in that line. A lot of cobwebs. Maybe even a rut in the bottom of the pipe. Okay, which that could be sand. Wow, this is the old baby. Now we're going up towards the house. It goes around the swimming pool. No hub clamp. Tired. A little bit of a rut in the bottom of the pipe. A lot of scaling going on. Cracked pipe right there, see it?
Mm-hmm.
There's a rut, definitely.
Yep.
That's actually sand. Like, you can't go in here with a machine, dude. You can actually line this, like this lady's maybe thinking about doing. There's another 45. And it's going to go into the house. And look at that. See that rut?
Mm-hmm.
That's actually a broken pipe too.
It's hard to see when they're sanding it, but some are cleared out. You can see
the
crack.
Well, it's so dried up that if it was being used, you'd see sand. It'd be wet. But now, since it's all dried up and crusty, now we're going into the house. I believe we're 26 feet in. Okay, here's another. Wow, that's a no hub clamp that's in bad shape. looks like an offset. Wow. Let's get the locator out.
There's a crack right here too.
That's the whole thing's running. We're 33 feet in.
You want the locator?
Yeah, let's locate it. All right, now we're going to locate the head, which I believe is inside the house, and turn the sonar on. As that number goes high, you're getting close to the baby.
Yep, I'm at 518 from 200.
That pipe runs parallel with the back of that house, the way you're walking towards that side deck, Robert.
Okay, it's hotter here.
Go towards that plant and right against the wall. It should go up, that number. Go against the floor.
It's down from here.
Really?
I'm at 1600.
So the pipe's inside. Stay right there. I'm going to back you up, okay?
Yeah, go ahead.
I can't get this shot. Oh, here we go. I'm going to back up.
Go ahead.
I'll start backing it out, okay? I'll go at 30 feet and you'll find me, all right? It actually has good pitch. I'm going to put right where I come out that fitting with the banded rubber. I'm going to guess it's the entry point to the house,
You gotta come in.
which is right there.
I think I'm there.
What's the number?
1400.
It should be about 3,000. Let's see if it gets...
Well, I'm at 1600 now.
I'm 28 feet in. Robert,
Yeah,
come this way just in case we're not in the house yet. Is the number going up?
down.
Going down? The sewer's like this, Robert. Look. Look at me real quick. It runs along the inside
It has
of
to be right here.
Okay.
Somewhere. We're at 2000 now.
that. Okay, I'm going to come to you. Hold on. I'm going to move it 3 feet, okay?
It's going up.
I'm at 25 feet. Try to find the highest number there. What I'll try to do is find you that 45 for you, okay? There's going to be another, it goes, look, Robert, 45, 45, probably another 40. They probably use all 45s because it wasn't a 90.
So I'm at 1100 here.
Okay.
When I come over here,
I'm going to go to 20. Make it real,
2000 here.
come this way. Hey, hey,
Down.
listen to me. It goes around the pool. Stay out that way. Picture a pipe being put
Yeah,
around this pool. It's zero here.
200, yeah. I just wanted to make sure.
Here's what I tell Angelo to do. Look, tap it on the ground. Just hold on the ground when you measure. That'll give you your truest reading. I'm going to try to come to the second 45 as soon as you're done.
So I'm at 2030 here.
Okay,
Just wait a second.
no problem.
I'm at it. 2275 is centering me off. Come look at the gun.
There you are. So look, I'm going to go to the next 45. Unless it goes under the pool, which I doubt. All right, here we go.
Now I'm almost like I'm at 2500 right
There's a 45 right there. It's going. You should be coming down the front of the pool now. It's a long run.
here.
You follow me?
Following you. You're behind me.
Keep following me.
Right here. Now I'm here.
This is a long straight run. You're gonna come to another 45. We're about.
Okay.
Right.
Here.
All right. Hold on one sec. Okay, watch this. I'm gonna get you to the next 45.
Okay.
Right there. That's a 45 right there. And that's in bad shape. That's going to be right under this equipment here somewhere.
Roughly here, maybe an inch off.
Right there?
Yeah.
It's a pretty long piece, man. I'm going to tell you how long that piece is. That 45's over there. It's going to be...
a woods type thing.
No, on the other side of that fence.
Oh, you think?
Picture this.
Yep.
45.
Yep.
As soon as you get past the pool,
Yep.
straight, which is a long run, which we showed.
Yeah, I see.
And then another 45 going around underneath the steps, and then another 45 going
straight along the inside of the wall.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn this off?
No, try and locate that. See where it's at. You're right at 45.
It's right here.
So here's what we got. We discovered 3 45s, a completely rutted pipe, and the fitting at the street is wonky. So I'm going to pass this information on to the city, get it squared up, give them the films, give the homeowner the film, and then we're going to make a plan to probably line the pipe. So the pipe lining situation with New Flow is this. It's a great option for a customer like this. Instead of cutting up the concrete, jacking up all the pool lines, who wants to be bothered with that? We line it, we get another 10, 15 years out of it. If they decide to get a new pool, they can get a new sewer too. That's where I'm at with it. New Flow all the way. Here's a sample of New Flow from yesterday. Harder than plastic. I can break a window with this. This is it. This is the baby. New Blue by New Flow. It does look boss in the sewer. But this is it. This is what your pipe becomes. Good stuff.